Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your first fill in the blanks. Second generation used dash as input device.
Punch card.
Spelling?
PUNCH.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
PUNCHED punch. CARD card.
Very good. The first calculating device was dash.
The first abacus. ABACUS.
Very good. Dash is the father of computers.
CHARLES.
Charles.
BABBAGE. Babbage.
Dash has a memory of 5.6 KB. ಓದು ಭುವಿ ಓದ್ಕೋ.
ED VNC.
The VLSI are used in dash generation computers.
Fourth FORTH.
ನಿನ್ ತಲಕೈ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಇಡಿಯಟ್.
FOUR.
ಮತ್ತೆ FOR ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? ಹಾಂ ನಡಿ ಬೈ.